Hello everyone, if you would like to create a sequence of number in MS Excel, so you will learn this in this technique in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we will use sequence function for that to generate the series of numbers or a sequence of numbers. So let's start. Okay, first of all, let's define sequence. Okay, this is the sequence function that we will use. It has 4 attributes. Okay, the first one for rows, the second one for columns, for start and for step. So let's, for example, if you would like to, for example, generate a sequence of number in single row until 10. Okay, so it means that I will just write 10. Okay, what it will do, by default the row is 1, it will just populate it in 10 rows. Okay, start from 1. See, from 1 to 10. Okay, you can generate automatically, and it has a lot of usage. Okay, if you would like to, for example, let's define it. For example, you would like to write it for 100. Okay, just press enter, so you will just generate automatically the numbers. Let's use the, for example, you want to numbers horizontally. So for the horizontally, what we will do, row 1 but column, for example, 10. Okay, so it will generate from 1 to 10 horizontally. See, from 1 to 10. And if you would like, it has the step, the start. Okay, what will be the start and the step? For example, the start is like first and the step is 2. What it will do, in one row it will, let's press enter, what it will do, so the step was 2 and start was 1. So from 1 start, step 2, then plus 2 to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 until go until 19. Like this. You can define for example, in 2 row. Okay, like this one. Okay, it will just populate in 2 row like this. So you can use it on a lot of different usage it has. It is a very useful function, sequence, okay, to generate sequence of numbers in MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.